Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. In this video, I want to show you guys how to pair your Bowflex 1090 dumbbells. Alright, here we go. In this example, I will be repairing both of my disc 3 on my Bowflex. As you can see, it's damaged. This one's badly cracked. If you are unsure what disc number you need to replace, no need to worry. They are imprinted on the disc. But this is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will be needing to replace my third disc. And as you can see on the new disc, it says 3-7.5. So 7.5 means 7.5 pounds. Step number 1, the very first thing you want to do is take the caps off. These are actually stickers, it's sticked on. So you need to get like a flathead or a screwdriver to pry off the cover. Just like that. That's one cover. Now the other end. It just sticks on just like that. Step number 2, you will need 2 ratchets with socket size of 90mm or 3/4 inch. We are going to loosen these nuts, just one of them. Put them both ratchets at counterclockwise. Hold the bottom one in position. We want to take everything apart. Cut the first nut off. Oh, I guess I have to replace this too. This is broken. Okay, we're gonna take this all apart. Don't be afraid. I'll teach you how to put it all back together. After you have taken everything apart, let's put it back together. So each plate or disc has these stubs. One big stub and 2 smaller ones that are identical. And on the back side of it, there's also a big one and 2 smaller ones the same size. So that's how you piece it together as they interlock with each other. So I'm going to put the big one with the big one underneath. Slides in like this. Like so, just on top of each other. Once you have it in place, I'm not able to turn it. So that's how you know you have it in the right spot. Now the first plate is number 1, this is number 2. Now I'm going to replace my third plate with the brand new one. Just like that. Now number 4 on top. And the last one, number 5. Just like so. Now we can slide it down the rod. Now for the next piece. Disc number 6. If your balls and spring popped out, it's very easy to put back together. First thing, make sure your plate with the biggest slot, or this gap here, is facing down or opposite of this handle. So when you lift this plate, there's these 1/4 inch holes. That's where you put the springs in. That's what it looks like. Now you put the balls on top of the spring. And remember to put back the plate with the biggest gap opposite to the handle. And there's this spring, plastic spring that stays in this hole to keep it in this position. And then keep holding this down together so the spring and balls does not pop out. So here's the biggest stub part. We'll be going into the biggest insert area. Keep holding the plate together. And what we're gonna do is slide them in place together like a puzzle. And now it locks in. Now let's put the handle on. Just slides back on and it just screws for it. Slide it in place. And since when you can't turn it, that means you have it in the right spot. Now we can do the same thing with this one. Make sure the steel balls are on top of the springs. And then the big gap is pointing down. We're almost done here. I'm just gonna put this back in place. It fell off. Just extra weight. Put the plates in descending order. It's number 5. Next is 4. Slide it into the groove. You can mix and match. 3. Number 2. And now the final one. Disc number 1. Now we're going to put the plastic washers on. There's 2 of them. Now the metal washer. And now for the nut. Now set your ratchet to clockwise position on both of them. Now we're ready to tighten up both ends. Pretty tight. Alright. Now it's all fully secured and on. And that's how you repair your Bowflex 1090. And the final step, put back the sticker cover back on. And voila. Now I am going to double check my dumbbells. Make sure they don't drop any weights. These replacement parts are available on eBay. Now we're going to do the test. Hopefully it doesn't drop any weights. Okay, this one passed the test. Now let's try the next one. Okay, it's good. It seems to hold up. The replacement parts work after all. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Peace out until next time.